I'm Verity. Hello, I'm Verity. Pleased to meet you. Yes. It's bizarre, it's banal. A trivial soiree is in full swing next door. Where is Sherry? Where on earth is Sherry? Where on earth is she? She's so bloody late. Sherry, is that you? Do come in. Door's open. That's it, darling. Just come straight in. Hi, Verity. Sherry, why on earth have you brought a rabbit with you? I've just taken him to the vet. I told him not to cross by parked cars. And how is Terry? Terry? In Glasgow with his father. Cheating bastard. I can't even look at him right now. So, I caught him with his pants down, with Denise over the road. I said to him, move out. Get your stuff, take your stuff, leave. Get out of my sight. Just get out of my sight. So, anyway, I went over the road to her and I said, you want to watch out. Because I am Sherry, like the drink. Every time you take a sip, remember, I'm looking at you. I'm going to find you. I'm going to hunt you down and beat you up. Well, that was 3 weeks ago. So that is that. Well, I know exactly how you feel. I mean, when I cheated on David, I threw him out. He just couldn't deal with what I'd done. So I threw him out. At the end of the day, he never humped my twat or rollopped my vagine whenever I asked. So you know how it is, Sherry. Terry never rutted my gut. I was talking. Okay. Ow! Fucking rabbit! So Sherry, where is Beth? What is she up to? Beth, my daughter, probably in Glasgow with her father, but Christ only knows. Silly bitch. Anyway, Verity, I've got to go. I've got to get off. Bye, Sherry. See you later. Ta-ta for now, Verity. See you soon. Beth, 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 Sherry, it's Beth. Hello, Verity, it's Beth.